In today's video, you'll learn how to enable dark theme in Outlook, which reduces eye strain, softens bright whites, and can even save battery on OLED displays. I'll cover both Outlook desktop and web versions so you can pick what works best for your setup. For Outlook on the desktop, open the File menu at the top left. Then go to Office Account, or simply Account depending on your version. Locate the Office theme drop-down and select Black. This is the darkest option, applying across Outlook and most Office apps. The change takes effect immediately without needing to restart Outlook. To return to a lighter theme, revisit the same menu and choose a different option. While labels may vary slightly by version, the path file Office Account Office theme remains consistent. For Outlook on the web, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Navigate to General, then Appearance. Choose Dark to enable a dark theme in your browser. Changes are applied instantly across folders, the message list, and the reading pane. Alternatively, select Use System Settings to let Outlook follow your operating system's light or dark mode automatically, which is useful if you schedule theme changes on your devices. A few tips. The black theme on desktop offers the highest contrast and most consistently dark surfaces, while the dark theme on the web provides a comfortable, low-glare look. Syncing to system settings ensures a cohesive experience if you use multiple devices with scheduled modes. Theme changes only affect the Outlook interface, not your device's overall theme. If options don't appear immediately, update the desktop app or refresh the browser after making changes. That's it. By following these steps, you can enjoy a darker, easier on the eyes Outlook interface, whether you're working in the desktop app or online. Try the options, see which feels best, and enjoy a more comfortable inbox experience.